Right, lads, BSBR here, Big Sip Beer Review. And it's day 7 on the Tiny Rebel Beer Advent Calendar 2021. And slightly later than normal, but it's the door opening. So, number 7. That's number 7 now.
Certainly looks like.
There's a green can again. And it is a Citra on Cashmere Nordic IPA coming in at 4.4%. Well, that is beer number 7. So I'm assuming they're all 330s and the 440s are that size, I think.
Seems to be a pattern there.
Yeah. So that is beer number 7. Citra on Cashmere Nordic IPA, 4.4%. Cheers, lads. More reviews to come on a future date. Big Sip